Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm making my first ever vanilla sponge cake. For this recipe I use 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of almond milk or any other type of vegan milk, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a little bit of salt, and I'm preparing everything in 2 aluminum cake pans. These have a diameter of about 6 inches or about 15 centimeters. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy these types of recipes, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video for support. Now let's start. I begin by combining the first set of wet ingredients, so just the almond milk and the white wine vinegar. I stir this for a couple seconds and then set it aside. In the meantime, it's going to form some bubbles, and this is going to give the cake that spongy texture. So this is the egg replacement. Now to the dry ingredients. To the flour, I'm going to add the baking soda, the salt, and the sugar. As you can tell, the milk has changed a little bit in consistency. It's a little bit more bubbly and it feels just a touch firmer than before. Now to this, I'm going to add the vegetable oil and the vanilla extract. If you haven't done so already, now would be a good time to preheat your oven to about 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Now all that's left to do is to combine the wet and dry ingredients together and just continue stirring this until it's well combined. I've prepared my aluminum cake pans. I've lined them with parchment paper and I have not greased the sides. Now I'm just going to distribute this batter evenly between my 2 cake pans. You can tell the consistency of this batter is just a little bit more liquid than what I'm used to with a standard cake that uses maybe eggs and butter, but still it's going to firm up perfectly when it's in the oven, and it's going to keep that spongy texture and also continue to stay very rich in moisture. These are going to bake for about 35 minutes and are going to come out looking like this. I'm going to allow them to cool in the cake pan for about 5 minutes and then I can just pop them out. Of course, these cakes don't taste like regular cakes with butter and egg. It just simply has different ingredients, but still it's a very delicious cake. It's moist, it's rich, and it's perfectly suited for decorating purposes as well. So if you want to cover a cake in fondant, these cakes will definitely hold that kind of structure up. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.